Bismillahi wa salamu ala Rasulillah. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the benevolent, may peace and greetings of Allah be upon His Prophet Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Sohail Ahmed Siddiqui from Karachi, Pakistan. A calendar expert, Mr. Aimun-VO from Karachi, has claimed and predicted that there shall be no moon sighting on 20th April 2023 all around the globe. He has claimed and he has predicted the first ever global Eid in the history of mankind on 22nd April 2023, that is Saturday. Mr. Aimun said there shall be a global Eid, that is to say, the entire globe shall be celebrating Eid for the first time in history. Mr. Aimun can be contacted through his Facebook profile or directly through his cellular number.